Sorry everybody, as you can see by my low mood, it has not been a good day. And that's okay. Maybe this will cheer me up a little bit. Here I am, hoping. Hoping and praying. Bad days happen, and it will get better, blah blah blah. Or so I'm told. Might not always be the case, but I'm told it has to eventually, right? So here we are, hoping that it does. At least there's no one here right now, so I can just sit and do my thing. They say the windows... Oh, the windows. To the window, to the wall. Don't do that. I forgot that's not allowed. Anyways, they say the eyes are the windows to the soul. That's the case, what am I saying? If it is along the line of screw everything and then nailed it. Yeah. It's just been one of those days. I do know it's bound to happen. I say it like it's a regular thing. Bad days shouldn't be a regular thing, right? You know what the sad thing is? So I'm shivering right now. I'm not even shivering because I'm cold. I'm literally just shivering because I'm upset. I know that's such a weird thing to be shivering about, but I guess it is what it is. Also equal highs. Okay. Sure, there's quite a bit of liquidity sitting up here now on ES. Not sure what it looks like. Let's have a look. I'll look now. On micros, don't think it can be that much different. Maybe I should shush. I don't know. It could be just that much different. So far, this is the London high. Hello. Okay. Sorry, just quickly going through liquidity. Oh, let's see if we can have a good idea of how today is going to go. That would be ideal. Yesterday's New York high. Awesome sauce. Yesterday's New York low. Right by some equal lows. QLEO. Okay, that was already taken. This is the Asia low. Did I check that on ES? I don't think I did. Let me go have a quick look. London High for now. It looks like it's about to be taken. There's a song on TikTok that is stuck in my head. It's driving me absolutely crazy. It also sucks that I cannot sit here and play it for you, else I'll get in trouble with YouTube. Because apparently you're not allowed to do that. Don't know why, really rude, but apparently that's the new. Like, I get it. I think it's because you are copyrighted? Eh, not really. Something to do with that. Sorry, as you can see, I'm dressed for comfort today. Because that is all I need today. I just need comfort. I have a bad idea, but let's not do that. I think anything that starts with I have a bad idea just should not be done. Yeah, if you have to start the sentence with "this is not a good idea," it's probably not ideal. So, breathing techniques. I don't know if anyone has ever done breathing techniques. They're quite good. They help, kind of. Sometimes. Most of the time, I guess. Hit that auto block there and jumped off. Cool. I'm being a little bit premature with this one, but let's see. So it should go up now. Let's see if I'm right. Should bounce off of the fair value gap and keep the momentum going up if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Let's see. Here we go. No, not yet. The VWAP was all the way down there today. Did it just climb that much? It didn't look like... Well, I was gonna say it didn't look like it, but I mean... Where's my little measuring tool gone? There it is. You, come here. New. Stop that. Oh. Oh, these are tiny. Never mind. Damn. So less than 10 points each. Like, they look impressive until they don't. Until they look kind of sad. Well, sad's mean. But I mean, these massive down candles are only 10 points. This one wasn't even 10 points. That, still not even 10 points. Here we go. We have a little bit. That was bigger than 10 points. What time is it? 2 minutes to. taken something on ES? Hi, welcome. I apologize in advance if I'm not the nice, the happiest of chappies today. It's just been a long day, so I do apologize. But please stay and watch the chaos. It hasn't been the best day. It means I was gonna say something dumb and I was like, no, don't do that. You're gonna jinx yourself even more and you're just gonna make this day worse. I was gonna say, you know, this day just, you know, won't get any worse. And then I was like, that's the dumbest thing to say. Don't ever say that. So it's why I'm kind of dressed like this. I'm dressed for comfort. I just need a comfort day. So hope you guys are ready for a comfort day. Oh gosh. English is no longer Englishing. English has depleted for... I was gonna say the day, but I'm pretty sure it's depleted for the week. Let's see, tomorrow's gonna be very entertaining. If I can't even speak like a normal human being. Oh, is it time? It's time, guys. Check. Oh. Cool. Did I say it was? I did say it was gonna climb. Ha ha ha! Look at me go. See, I'm getting there. I'm learning. Well, I say I'm learning. That was more of a hunch. It could have gone either way. I think it's purely just for all highs sitting here on ES that I was like, yeah, it's gonna climb today. And hopefully, we get some decent trades in today. Damn, there's a lot going on here, and it's just opened. Cool. Okay, maybe I was wrong. Maybe it's actually just gonna melt. Or it's just gonna stay exactly as it is. Like, we cannot be consolidating when we've just opened. Thank you. Thank you. I was gonna say. No, don't, watch it pop back up now. Just need a breathe. Do you know what? Do you know what I think we're gonna do? Apart from have a little mini hissy fit because apparently the Wi-Fi wants to be silly. Why do you want to be silly? You've been working so well. Do not mess with me. Thanks. Okay, well, we're going... Okay, there we go. At least we're not consolidating. That's a start, right? Huh, a little tap into this order block. And went up. Nice. But you know, when I set up my order blocks and it has momentum like this, guess what it does not do? It does not respect them like that. I swear the markets just have too much fun with this. I know they can't hear you. I know they don't know what's going on, but sometimes I swear they do. Sometimes I am convinced that they are watching. Some way, somehow, they are watching. And they are keeping tabs and they go, that one got a little bit cocky, so do you know what we're gonna do today? I'm gonna make sure it's a bad day. Well, market gods, market people, market FBI agents, whoever's watching, if you can see that I'm not having the best day, could you maybe just help a gal out? How's that? How about helping a gal out? It does and doesn't respect this VWAP very well, does it? It's a little bit of a bounce off, but not like... I don't know. I was expecting more... I guess that's it. I think I was just expecting more. Hi. Welcome to the cold and... just the cold. If I had a hot water bottle, I'd be so happy right now, but I do not. Oh, you know what I could go do though? Could maybe go make some tea just now. Tea sounds amazing. If there is a lull later, if it looks like it's just me, then I will go and make some tea. Don't judge me, I've had a long day, so you're about to witness... I don't even know. It could go either way. I could completely lose it in the funny way, or completely lose it in the not so funny way. There could be tears or there could be hysteria. Yeah, so keep watching and let's find out together. I think I'm excited to see where this goes. I think hysteria feels like it's the way we're gonna go today. So stay tuned. See, it's already starting. Stay tuned to find out what happens next on TMT. Don't say you weren't warned. Just putting that out there, okay? You were warned that I am cray cray. If it does not respect this auto block, I will not be super happy. I could risk it for the biscuit today. Do I want to? No. We are gonna try be as smart as we can today. So I know some people say, you know, try do this, try do this, try do this. Why? What? You must be joking. There we go. That was weird. Okay. Anyways, let's see what happens. If this does end up going up for it or not, don't know if it's the worst idea. I mean, here's a fair value gap. Here's a fair value gap. Theoretically, it should respect it a little bit, except it does seem like it wants to be climbing a little bit. You know, like, is it just rejecting off? Is it just going to reject off the VWAP? Are we going to keep melting? Yeah, there's a lot of questions in my mind right now. And unfortunately, I don't think there's anyone who can answer them. Because when it comes to trading, yeah, I really do believe it's anyone's guess. Well, I say guess. It isn't really a guess, but you know, at the end of the day, there's no guarantee. I think that's what I'm trying to say. Because, sorry, can you say I'm attempting to form words? it's just not going the bestest. But, you know, I could also do a cell stop down here. Or if it breaks out of this. But then the VWAP on ES is right there. However, there's equal highs and liquidity below. In the same breath, there's still the London high, Asia high, equal highs, and New York high sitting above. So, yeah, I think we're just gonna have to now kind of wait and see. Unless I do this. Okay. Let's do the consolidation, but do it safe. Yeah. Like that. That's a decent size, right? Now we make it a short. Or if it goes this way, around there. And around there, just a 1-to-1 R. Pop it there. So it has to come down quite proper. Let me just make sure there's no order blocks. There might be a little one here. Like, not great ones. I really do not like that one. Technically looks like it was tapped into. This one was not tapped into, but I also do not know if there was an order block there. I don't like the little ones. I can't see the order blocks as well as I do with the New York session. I know that's a weird thing to say. We could always try it, right? Make it a stop. 6, no, 5. Yeah, 5 is good. And it is a sell stop. Ah, okay, there's the rejection of the VWAP on ES. What? Why? I'm so confused. This consolidation thing is not great though. Let's see if it does. Keep reaching. No, it's still consolidating. It's gonna reject off the VWAP? No. Well, apparently we are climbing. Not yet. I have a feeling it still might melt. Well, maybe not. There's really good momentum on ES. I say really. There's momentum on ES. I'm not gonna say good or bad, but there's something going on ES. Okay. So has it decided yet? No, not really. With all the liquidity and stuff. Okay. And look, you know, I'm actually going to stop trying to guess what it's going to do, because every time I try, it does the opposite. So I'm just going to shush with regards to that, because clearly it's not going the direction that I think it is. If it does make it past there, I'll be kind of surprised. Wow, it's either gonna start pushing properly up or properly down, in which case if I see it just like zooming up, I might cancel my order block. Purely because when there's that much volatility and momentum, it tends to not respect them that well. Just from what I've noticed. I could be wrong. You know, like I said, I'm no expert. I will never claim to be an expert until I've been doing this for like 20 years. Then maybe I can be like, I'm so cool. But I am definitely not there yet. Sure. It's pushing a lot on ES. A lot. Huh. Now we're ejecting off the VWAP. It's fun. Do you want to take a guess of where we're going? Long, short? Oh. Okay, so it took that liquidity. Just a little bit. Okay, I think we're gonna melt now. No? I'm gonna set this up. Because if it starts melting, it's gonna start melting properly, I hope. I hope. Okay, so it took that liquidity, so I did suspect it to potentially bounce off of there. I know, and I don't know which direction that is going to be. That's the thing. That's why I've set it up a little bit lower. If I had set it up for a breakout down here, I would have probably nearly been out already. Yeah. That's also why I'm keeping it a little bit safer with the 1-to-1. Oh, I hope this works. Take a cold shower. I'm cold enough, thank you. It's very cold here in South Africa. Well, we are in. Let's see if it reaches for that liquidity that I hope it does. It's melting on ES nicely. I have been wrong plenty of times before though, so this might be that trap that you're talking about. You know, with how today is going, I wouldn't even be surprised. I'll be like, yeah, there we go. Not even remotely surprised right now. No, there it goes. Yeah, took people out on ES and now it's going to climb. Or it's just gonna mess with me for the next like 5 minutes. I think it's gonna mess with me for the next 5 minutes, in all honesty. Yeah, there we go. There we go. ES looks so much different today to MNQ. So much different. That's not English, is it? No, that's not English. Is it English? It's fine. Okay. Potentially. Okay. Move it to break even. Okay. 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 I was right. Thank heavens. Thank heavens. Look. If you're here in the beginning, you know that I was speaking about the mania. This might be it. Okay, at least we got it. We caught the push down, the melt, if you will. I still can't breathe though. Thank you. I need it today, so I appreciate that. Oh, that was actually a really nice trade. Check it that. Just tagged out. Well, I say just tagged out. So one day, I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. As you can see, I get a little emotional still when it comes to the trade. So if I had to make it any bigger just yet, like a 2R or a 3R, oh my gosh, I think the stress would kill me. In all honesty, as you can see. But so I mean, theoretically, right? Again, the markets love to prove me wrong more often than not. Speaking of, let me quickly check something before I miss out on it, which I might have already. That's not a bad order block. English. Yeah. Well, MNQ. Sorry, not MES. No, just MNQ for now. Like I said, start small so that I do not lose all my capital, because that would suck. That would suck big time. So MNQ just gives me the opportunity to practice without such high risks. What looks like a better order block? 5 minute. This one on the 3 minutes quite nice, but I don't know. I mean, it may have just bounced off of it. No, it hasn't gone high enough. Ignore me. It has not bounced off of it. Oh, it's bouncing off the VWAP a little bit. That's what's going on. Like now, I could do a sell stop here. Yeah. See, like there, should have done a sell stop. Damn it. I was questioning this a little bit. Crap. Oh, actually, to be fair, it wouldn't have tagged me out yet, and it's climbing back up. Oh, that would suck. I learn how to trade? So I do actually have a coach. We don't meet up as much. He gave me very simple strategies. Oh, there. There we go. Very simple strategies. Oh, thank heavens, guys. That would have been an... stop it. Sorry, that's my Wi-Fi being silly. Ignore that. Would have maybe just missed a break even? Sorry, I'm checking if this would have been a winning trade. See, I'm trying your breakout strategies. Hi, Biblical. Morning, well, afternoon. No, then why is it doing that? I can put trades in. Has no issues with me putting trades in. No, Huh. And I don't know why. Because I can put trades in. You know, if it was having issues with me right now, I wouldn't be allowed to put any trades in. Very, very weird. Oh well. How odd. I wonder what's going on. Really? That's weird. Huh. So no, it does that to me normally when my Wi-Fi has a freak out, because it almost like kicks me out and I have to get back in. Huh. That's weird. So I would still be in this trade just by the skin of my teeth, but I would still be in this trade. I did miss it, which obviously I say sucked, but let's see, it may become a break-even trade. Also not bad. And then trade about open at the same time. I don't have anything else open though. I'll have a look. Oh, please don't say this. Well, that would have been a win because it's good to know that this strategy works. There we go. See, change mindset. Change mindset. I'm trying. I am trying. I'm trying. Oh, it's bouncing off the VWAP. That's what's happening. Okay. As you can see, I'm trying my absolute bestest to not be so emotional. Even though this will suck if it is a win. Oh well. But there's a little order block, by the way. Let me check that out. I'll go check that out now. I'll pop this here. Just for funsies. Make me feel lovely about myself. Not on the 2. Not on the 3. Definitely not on the 5. But on the 1, there is a little order block. Is he in? You know, damn, it would have been a winner. Look at that. See, I'm trying your breakout method, just I'm not brave enough to do the full like 3R just yet. But I am trying, see? So that would have been a win. I doubted. I thought it would have maybe taken some of the liquidity and then... Sorry, again, just looking at something. Okay, what's gonna tap into that order block on ES? I wanna see if it respects it. Can I teach you? I mean... I can't promise anything. As you can see, I'm teaching myself so we can learn together. I'm happy for us to try and learn together, you know. That is part of, well, a bit of the point, you know, is for us to all try and help each other with no judgment. Might I just say? That would be amazing, please, thanks. I'm not great. Yeah, oh, yeah, we'll check. Okay, so where was that trade that I made? I'll quickly show you. It would have been a goodie. It would have been a very, very good one. Oh well. Oopsie, wrong thing. My bad. Yay, guys! That makes me so happy. You guys are making my day. Oh, you guys are gonna make me emotional. I might start crying. It's fine. It's been a bad day. But you guys are actually making it so much better, so I really appreciate that. I have so much love for you guys right now. But what I wanted to say was I am happy to try and teach, and if you guys then learn something or you don't agree, you know, tell me, please. So what I have been doing is just super basic, so let's maybe try catch this before I'm screwed. No, so not a 2 and nothing on the same. So for example here, this could potentially be an order block. This one's definitely an order block. So I'll tell you what I look for with my order blocks. A doji, opposite color is ideal. If it has taken, so this is not the best, but like if it's the top of a break of structure, so it's about to, so it's taken a bunch of liquidity. You were asking? There we go, mental. There he is, saying hi to everyone. Anyway, sorry, I was talking about the doji. Opposite color, if it has taken liquidity, so this one, it's not bad. Franks! Hi, Franks! Oh, you guys are all here and you're making me feel better. Thank you. I really, really do appreciate it. Like I said, been a tough day. It's why I'm dressed for comfort. Sorry, I said, meh. Today I need cuddles. And my dog's sleeping on the bed. He's not even coming to cuddle me. So rude. Liquidity. Yeah. Damn. If I'd gotten into that trade and made it a breakout trade. Damn it. Where did I have it? I had it there. Hey, yeah. I did. I had it there. Would nearly be at a 3R. Where's 3R? There. There's 3. Oh! Damn it. This now. That has just tapped into the New York low from yesterday. Check, that would have been a 3R trade. Yeah, that would have been a proper 3R trade. I know. So this was the trade I missed earlier. Oh, there we go, tapped in. I thought it would have a little bit of a bounce after it tapped into the New York low here. Damn, that sucks. That would have been a win. I don't know if these are the best to be trading off of. It hasn't really tended to respect them very well. Now I wonder if this is going to be a reversal or if we're going to keep melting down. Might go up. Here's an order block and then come back down. Oh, but now all of a sudden we have momentum going up. I wonder if this is the reversal. I'm just keeping it there because, I don't know, to upset myself more. Oh, flip. Okay. No, that is 1000% accurate. See, so is this a good idea? So that's exactly what I've been trying to do. Oh, I don't know if this is a bad idea. There's so much liquidity. Would be a stop, not a limit order. A 3. Jeez, this is massive. Would have to be a 3. I don't know if this is the best choice. Because this might be the reversal. Yep. It is. You know what I am gonna do? I'm gonna be quote-unquote smart. A little bit. I'm putting it near the liquidity. Shift, move everything down. There, so if it has to break out, it has to break out properly. Yeah, no, that's... The 1 minute, like I said, I enjoy it because it's... Quick. So, again, I'm playing this safe. But I guess rather safe with a higher win rate than risky and potentially make stupid mistakes. I'm playing it safe because if it passes this low and this liquidity, it should be pretty decent. Let's see if it goes back down, or did I just save myself? There's all the liquidity on ES, and ES pushes M and Q. I hope it's melting. Do you not think it's melting? There's so much liquidity right there on ES. That's what I'm hoping for. Because there's also a bunch of liquidity sitting underneath. Could have been a mistake, or... I'm gonna mitigate the risk by around half. Come on, keep reaching. There's so much liquidity on ES. It's right there. Can you see it? Yeah, there we go. You can see it. Someone is fighting somewhere. Well, this is at least around half. Oh no. Maybe I'm gonna get tagged out. Can you see I'm trying my best to not be too emotional today? I'm really trying my best to not be too emotional today. Let's see. So should I cancel it? Is that what I'm hearing? Even though there's a bunch of liquidity on ES? Ah, are we? Ooh. Oh, that's why it's bouncing. That makes sense. I mean, I do still have time to cancel. I was able to move it halfway. Maybe not. Too late, sorry. There was a delay. I was thinking of selling it there. And... yeah. Fine. I was hoping it would reach for these lows here, but that's okay. Full risk, no, too late. What, you think it's gonna melt now? If it melts now, oh my gosh. At least it was only half. I did mitigate the risk by half. Makes me feel a little bit better. Sucks I missed that, but it is what it is. Let's see if we have a proper reverse of structure now. Oh, it's gonna bounce off. What do you think? Huh? Is everyone right? Oh dear. Okay. Okay. Nice proper win there. What's here? It's kind of bouncing off this fair value gap. It's not fair value gap, I'm so sorry. Order block. Oh, take your guess. He was a rescue off the side of the road. When he was 3 or 4 months old. You know, it was a bit of a guess how old he was. Woo! Damn, okay. Called that wrong. Anyways. It did bounce off of the order block. And I was thinking, there's an order block. Anyways. He is yeah, literally take your pick. He is all of it. He is also rather heavy. So I know the camera makes me look probably a little bit bigger than I am, but I actually weigh like 55 kilograms. He weighs like 40 kilograms. And he loves to tackle me, so yeah. That's lots of fun and lots of entertainment. I should maybe put a buy stop in at some point here. Huh. It starts twittering around. Twittering? That's not a word. No? I just made that up, didn't I? Loitering is a word. I'll figure it out. Franks, where you at, my guy? Franks has not been chatty recently, and that makes me sad. Okay. There you are. Hello. Are you trading? Are you back at your laptop? Or have you been enjoying the sunshine too much again? Okay, let's see. Nice. You think sell it? No, I think this is the reversal. I think... maybe you're right. Maybe you're not right. Maybe let's move this a little bit higher. Just in case. And make this... momentum based. Okay, let's see. That's still there. You think so? Hi, Bob, by the way. How you doing? Make this stop. Let's see. Yeah, sure. Let's do that. Bounced off of the VWAP on ES. Let's see if it's gonna keep reaching or if it's gonna melt. Oh, 10:30. I was like, what? I forgot. 10:30 reversal. Is that a thing? See, you guys are teaching me things. Ah. You were correct. it is still bouncing at your stop reverse position. Huh. Also, that sucks about your top step platform. I'm sorry. Okay. 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 I'm trying to think. Yeah, this is not the first time I've heard of Top Step having some issues. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be cheeky. I'm gonna do this. There we go. Let's see. I'm so sorry. That sucks. Well, I'm in. Let's see if this was a good idea or not. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Took some liquidity on ES. But now is it gonna keep reaching or is it gonna do that? Because there is more liquidity higher up. You're so funny. Thanks. Okay. I see what you mean. What you mean? What you mean? Okay, I'll make you a deal. I'm gonna keep it here. It goes down to around 100. So half risk. A little bit scared to talk right now. Let's see. Okay. I think by now I can try and mitigate this around half. Around there. Modify. Okay. Let's see if it gets to around 100, then I'll move it to break even. Let's see if it keeps reaching far enough. Or high enough, rather. Okay, well we're on to back down to 60. 70. There we go. Break even. Just, there we go. A few points above. Ooh, nice. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for you. Hopefully it's a win. Go and enjoy it, Bob. Okay. Let's see. Where's my fib? Here's the fib. What, all the way from up here? Probably, huh? Huh. Close. Let's see. Oh, it is just messing around that area now, though. Is there an auto block on ES? Not really. Well, keep fingers and toes and... I don't know why I said and, that's it. Keep fingers and toes crossed, that's... Let's see if it does. It looks like it potentially wants to reverse on ES. The 1030. Let's see. It's gonna be a break even. Yep. It's gonna be a break even. Or is it? It probably is. Which means I probably should have closed. There we go. Break even. We can cope with a break even. Okay, so you think... Cool. So should I do this one? Is that what I'm hearing? You have a cell here. Stop. I will fight the fear, like you said. And have a cell stop. Yeah, that was ridiculous. Anyways. However, it is by the VWAP. Oh, it hit an auto block. So you think sell? Thank you. Great. Oh. Thanks. Yeah. See if there's a break in structure. Nah, I think we're gonna start climbing now, huh? Or are we? At this point, I can't even pretend to guess. I'm not even gonna try. It's... At least that one was a break even, so that's fine. It looks like it's pushing on ES, but I mean, for a while it looked like it was pushing there. It looked like it would tag me out, and then it did not, so... Ah, that's okay. It did tap into this little auto block here. Just BT dubs. So that one would have possibly been a winning auto block. You think so? I don't know, hey? Part of me wanted to agree with you because of all the liquidity. I mean, that's why I did that one. I mean, all that liquidity down there. Anyways. Okay. Well, let's do this. Sorry, now that I've zoomed all the way out, let's see if we can do this. Not great there. It's a good one on the 2 minute. I think you might be right. I mean, there's an order block here. It might come tag in and then melt. I'm gonna set it up in case. Because if it's right, awesome. If it's not right, then c'est la vie, I guess. Je ne sais pas. I don't know if it's gonna come back up this high, but if it does, this is ready. There we go. Oh, beautiful. 200 on the dot. So for now, until I'm feeling more brave, I keep my risk at the 200. Okay, let's do a sell. Past here. Crap, let me hurry up. There. I do not. Oh, come. You could have stopped. 3, that's fine, sell. Okay. Well, let's see if you guys are right. I might not be able to watch this. Oh, okay. Holy crap. Look at how it looks on ES. Damn. Oh, the spread's quite big. Check out the difference there. Sure, the spread's rather large. Damn, okay. Now there's a fair value gap it's tapped into. I do not speak French. I know some phrases, and by some phrases, I know one phrase, which is, I don't know. My friend thought it was funny to teach me that, and I just never forgot it, because I agree, I think it's really funny. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, better hands off. Don't touch. Leave it alone. Okay, I'm hoping it bounces off the VWAP and then goes down again. There we go. Oh no. I mean, there's a little order block there. Maybe it will tap off of it and then go. Bounce off, bounce off, bounce off, bounce off. Come on. Okay. Nice. So, again, I... Yeah, that's high, damn. Well, I put it above here. Let's see, because theoretically there's a little order block there. Come on. Meltdown properly. I like that. I like that a lot. So I'm actually half Portuguese. Oh, you weren't believe it now. Left into the order block. Now melt, please. You guys are making me laugh today, thank you. I speak, well, as you guys have probably noticed, I also tend to speak the gibberish. Quite a lot of it. All the time. Speaking a bunch of rubbish. I'm nervous. Yep, I don't know if I should try and mitigate it by half and then just cancel the order. Oh, it's... Should I cancel? I don't know. It's literally teasing. Okay, if we come and bounce down a little bit more. Bounce down more, bounce down more, bounce down more. Close now. Okay, done. Watch it bounce back. Just watch it bounce back. At least then I didn't lose my full position. Oh, you think it might go up here? Potentially. See, but it has been respecting these quite well. The order blocks. It even respected this one a little bit. It did bounce out of it. Oh, I hope I'm right. So it's a very nice little 2-minute order block there. Well, it would have been out either. Oh! You lucky? I am South African. And do not ask me to do accents. I cannot do accents. I get teased so often. It's rather rude, actually. But your accents is not my thing. Yep. So these are my safe trades, my little order blocks. Because the hope is, you must be joking. Anyways, the hope is with the order blocks that it tends to bounce out of them. So it should, with the correct momentum, tap in and tap right out. Should. I do have, I'd have to find a good example further back. I do have some good examples of where it literally, it would theoretically try and kind of do something like that, where it just kind of taps in and melts down. It just obviously didn't go high enough. Rude. Anyways. So, where are we at? I haven't even been. We've had one win. And theoretically, hear me out. Theoretically, here, 1.5 losses. Because I mitigated this risk by half. And I cancelled the order when it was around a little bit higher than half. So, okay, let's see if it does bounce out of this or if we're not. It's being really mean today. Like, it's being unnecessarily rude. Like you said, it does. It just feels like it's playing us today. I'm not gonna lie, it's freaking me out a little bit. But I guess gotta be brave. Right? Yay, be brave. Thanks. But to be fair, I don't know why. I don't think I have an accent. I have been told sometimes that, like in South Africa, I've been told by South Africans that I have an accent. What accent? I do not know. I have heard that I have a British accent. I've heard I've had an American accent. Like, I have had couples in fights arguing over what I sound like. So, who knows? Maybe I'm just weird. Maybe that's just... Sorry, let me just cross my legs and get a bit more comfy. Do you like my onesie? It's actually a Christmas onesie, but... Okay. But yes, so I have been told that I'm a little bit... There we go, see? Where's your 950? Let's see. Oh, what? Yeah, no. Even then... No, listen. A white South African accent would be an Afrikaans accent. I don't know... Do you guys know what Afrikaans sounds like? I can speak a tiny bit. Not great, but a tiny bit. Bob, are you happy? No, not yet. Oh, sorry, Bob. It's melting. What the heck is going on? Anyway, sorry. Have you heard an Afrikaans accent? Have you heard Afrikaans being spoken? Because I'm not great. Please don't think I'm great. But I can speak a little bit of Afrikaans. I just... yeah. No. I had to think about that for a second, but no, it's not. But Elon doesn't have such a heavy... Like, I'm gonna have to try... I don't know. I need to like ask one of my Afrikaans friends to try and send me a voice note. Wait, Bob? Bob, is it happening? Bob? No, not yet. It might be happening, Bob. Bob, are we happy? Am I gonna get screwed? I might get screwed. Just go a little bit higher. Come on. And then melt. Anyways. The Afrikaans. So, give me an easy phrase that you would like me to say. To the moon. Yeah. Give me an easy phrase you would like me to say in Afrikaans. I can't promise. I can try. Oh, there's liquidity on ES. Oh, flip. Tap in and then melt. No. Yes, and now melt. Melt whilst I'm closing you. 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 It took the liquidity on ES, so now drop down. Drop down. Drop down more. Come on. Yes. No. Drop down a little bit. Sure. Yes, looks like a bloody disco ball going up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Not a disco ball. That's the wrong word. Nope. Maybe. Nope. No, it's reaching. Or is it? Yes, it is. What? Still 30 seconds left of this candle, and it's jumping all over the place. Flip, I don't know if it's gonna tag me. I have a feeling it might tag me out. Does it even know what it wants? 105, 100. If I close now, I've halved it. Around 100. Oh my gosh, it's gonna sit in this, isn't it? It's reaching for the liquidity on ES. It's still dropping on micros. Tap in and melt. Nope. Okay. Last. If it melts now. Oh, where did you say you wanted it? 968. I think you're about to get it. Close. We're getting there. Are you happy? Are you super happy? Okay, well, then I'm done for the day with regards to trading, but I'm happy to sit here and chill with you guys for a little bit longer. This is just, it's not my week. I'm just not having a great week. The first trade was really good. This one was beautiful. I liked this trade a lot. I cannot believe I missed that trade. Thank you, I think. Oh, there we go. Well done, Bob. Thank you. Yeah, just not my week. Oh, here's the VWAP. Holy cow. Look at what I did on ES. You guys want to check here? Yeah, it's fine. I mean, it's not great, but you know, there's not much you can do about it. I'm just scared. I don't want to. I'll check it later. Cause check, now it's melting. Yeah, it's mean. Sure. Bob, we've got this. Well, clearly you've got this. You just did it. Well done. Very, very good trade. Holy moly. Light? I'm assuming? Light, if you're still watching, now that I've not distracted anymore. Oh, you know, even Bob. Or Demonate? I don't know if I said that right, I'm sorry. Yeah? I can call, no, maybe not. I was gonna say I can call you Mr. D, but 1 down, 4 to go, you've got this. Bob, be like, put it here now. Well done though, I'm super proud of you. Yeah, clearly I'm not having, that's fine. It's okay. You know, 1 win, I was gonna say it's better than nothing, but that's not quite right, but it's fine. Sure, it is climbing now. I mean, there's the New York high that is attached with the equal highs, and now it's just pumping. Oh, Demonte. Oh, cool. There we go. See, thank you. If... Yeah, go on. Give me a phrase. Let's do it. A simple phrase. A simple phrase, and I'll try remember Afrikaans. So Like Franks, I don't know if Franks is still here. So Franks is from Holland, and now and then I can understand. So if he's yeah, now and then I can understand Dutch. Thank you. I was like Hollandish. Oh, that is definitely not it. Oh my gosh! Like I said, it's been a very long week. Gosh, there we go. So yeah, so Frank, sometimes if you message Dutch, I can understand some. Yeah. Yeah, listen, yesterday, no, just this whole week actually. Last week was really good. I was having proper wins. I was actually starting to pick up on my profit, and now it just feels like it's all gone downhill, but that's fine. So, to me, as you guys aren't giving me a phrase to say, I can ask you, how are you in Afrikaans? Hoe gaan dit? Except, wait, that wasn't heavy enough on the... Yeah. Look, I'm sorry, that's... See, it's such a fine flipping line, and then you have a good week, and then, like you said, you sometimes get a bit cocky or a bit greedy, and then aw, good. I'm glad. See? So theoretically, okay, theoretically we weren't incorrect with this one. We were just a little bit too high. Yeah, anyways. Again, what's annoying is it respected this flipping order block. Check it this. So if I may, goodness, if I done this order block here, and well, whoopsie, I'm moving the wrong flipping thing now. Control Z. There we go. Maybe make life easier. Okay. And I'll move across. Nice. Would have tapped in there, tapped out. Same thing with this candle. Tapped in, tapped out. Same thing here. Tapped in, tapped out. Seriously? The one I didn't trade would have given 3 anyways. How big do you normally go? After those 5 winning days, how big do you normally go? Maya. Like that song, Maya. Yeah, Maya. I know some people want to say like Maya. Yeah, but it's Maya. Or Maya B. I don't know, for some reason some people called me that. Maya B. But yeah, Maya. Me? Oh, I'm done. I can't. I've done my 3. Okay, okay. Hoe gaan jouw dag vandaag? I think that's right. Or hoe gaan dit vandaag? No, yeah. Yeah. We'll break and retest. Oh, a little bit. A tick shot? No, I don't even know what that is. It does sound a little German. Like I always said, Afrikaans is not the prettiest. Well, for me, anyways. And for some reason, so hear me out, Franks, don't get upset. But hear me out. Dutch is softer. Like, it feels like it's Dutch, Afrikaans, German. I say that, it's not really like I know a lot of German, but that's just how I feel it goes with regards to, like, the harsh sounds. Like the and the wait, not the they don't do, they go rrr. Yeah. Hierdie. Do you hear the hierdie dag? Rarig means really. I mean, I could say swear words, but I might get in trouble, so maybe I shouldn't do that. Oh, why did I say Afrikaans when I said white South African accent? Just a lot of, not a lot, that's, yeah, it's not really correct, but in general, the white South Africans down here tend to be Afrikaans, so it's a little bit more of the Afrikaans accents. So I'm low on patience as well, and a little bit ADHD, which is why the 1 minutes tend, maybe not this flipping week, but tend to suit me better because it's a little bit more quick, go, in, out. Always some action going. As you've seen, I'm sorry, I apologize for the ADHD. As you can see, I sometimes, like, I'll be in the middle of a sentence and then I'll get distracted. Like, I'm pretty sure I did that to you guys now. I'm sorry. Oh, that is so cool. Where? Do you know? I'm gonna go have a look. What's it called, Bob? I'm gonna make a note. The 15-minute orb test. Or, yeah. Is it orb or ORB? I'm just gonna call it orb. Cool. I have lots of notes. Yeah, it's fine. Here's the VWAP. I wonder if it's going to respect it. Anyways. Me. So, like I said, haven't really been looking too much setup-wise, because I know there's like the 15 minutes, there's Token? I don't think Token's busy watching, but Token sometimes comes on and he tells me, about the... It's not the ICT, I have it in notes. Let me quickly find what this is. Let me quickly figure out what it is that he does. The IB strategy. Yeah. With the SVP indicator. Oh, nice. I don't know if I'll get in trouble. I might get in trouble if I like find an accent online. Yeah, ICT concept. So the one he uses isn't the ICT concept. Oh, flip, now you're making me remember what ICT stands for. Give me a second. I got you. So I tried the ICT OTE breakout. It didn't work for me personally. I can try find, so the fib that they used, yeah, I still have the fib because I tried it. Because theoretically, right, theoretically, if it's a decent strategy, it should work on all time frames. Supposedly. But supposedly, anyways. Oh, flip, no, I changed it, didn't I? I think I did. His theory was you go... See, even looking at it like this, it doesn't look like it works. To me, anyways. It's supposed to be you trace from the highest high to the lowest low, and it should come back up, tag you in. I just don't know how high up it's supposed to come back. It's supposed to come back, tag you in, and then up. But as you can see, this is going to be a very long process. No, the one thing that he said, I even made a note of it. He said IB. The IB strategy. I'm reading. I made a specific note. He said the IB strategy. See, now I'm like, we have to wait for... I don't know if he'll come on today. Token, he was talking about his IB strategy, where he waits 45 minutes from opening, if I'm not mistaken. So... 4:15. There we go. So from there to there. Then he takes the SVP. Yes. Yes. I could be butchering this. I'm trying to remember. He told me this last Friday. No, when did he tell me this? Was it last Friday? I think he told me last Friday. Yeah. 45 minutes. There, from here to 4:15. There we go. 45 minutes from opening the New York Open. Well, out my time. South Africa time. Would be 3:30 to 4:15. Then he does the SVP, if I'm not mistaken, and then he traces the fib from there, and he gets 5 R wins. I don't know how consistent the 5 R wins are, but I think he got one yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure he got a 5 R win yesterday. Wow, this market sucks now. Damn. Thank you. There we go. Session volume profile. Yes, there we go. See, at least I remembered SVP. I'm getting there. Yeah. With the 5R. I haven't tried it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little intimidated by it. It sounds pretty hectic. But yeah, he does 5 Rs. Yeah. I think that's the whole theory behind it. But if I'm not mistaken, sorry, it wasn't yesterday. When did he have that 5R? You didn't see him yesterday. It must have been Tuesday. See him. Chat to him. He came on yesterday. Yeah. Which is not bad. It's also a little bit like, yeah, do you just then do the one trade and that's it for the day? I'm assuming, right? One trade done. One trade done. Light, wait a second, let me quickly see this. I wish I could do a proper Afrikaans accent to show you guys, but unfortunately, like I said, I'm so bad at accents. I'm trying to think of how they sound now. Because now part of my brain wants to go like Scottish, and that's not it. Yeah. But then here comes the question again. Here we go, Bob, you can maybe, let's see what you think. If you had, let's do this. What's better, the bigger R's with less success, or an even smaller R, so not even 1-to-1, like 1 to 0.5. So there, with obviously even higher win rates. If not there, wait a second, let's make this a tiny bit smaller. Let me use we make it around let me make it 10 points. Let's make it 40. There we go. Let's make it a 10 point. Now, make it 0.5. Oh gosh, that's tiny. Okay, but now, hear me out. You just keep placing a bunch. Like here. Win. Like the quickest win ever. So that's already 2 wins. And then you just keep placing these. So here, where I had a loss, it would have been a win. With room to spare. Right? The direction, take your guess. Take your guess. I think it's gonna continue bullish, I think. But as you can see, we've kind of consolidated a little bit, and there is the VWAP. If it's gonna bounce off a bit, I don't know. With great skill and hoping. No, I'm joking. That's not how you do it. Go away. Just wait for the Wi-Fi, thank you. Yeah, that's the only thing, but... What do you mean? So I'm saying if you have, like, your normal trades, like this one. Let's say it was 0.5, it would have been a win. There we go. Up win. Wouldn't have been a break even. But then you obviously need an even higher win rate. Oh, interesting. Yeah, see, I do the 1 minute purely because of the quick go, 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 go. For me, personally. Then, sorry, point is, with the debate of what's better, higher R or smaller R with ridiculous wins. Nice, well done. What time is it? No, I'm not even gonna take a gamble at what we're doing now. Part of me wants to say we're gonna start. Nah, I don't know. Alright, well, let's check out the 15. Okay. Well, my little things on there does not look great. So I used to trade the 5 minutes. So I do have a GAN for the 5 minute. For those of you interested. And you trade off the fair value gaps. So it's kind of similar to the whatchamacallit. Sorry, wait, brain froze. There we go, the fib. Sorry. Similar to the fib. And then you have potential 3R wins. But I've never had a 15-minute one because my patience is not... Stop that. Is not great. Me, the 1 minutes are... Come here. I was wondering where you went. There we go. A little bit more quick. Go, 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 go. This is pushing really well on ES. Well, decently on ES, I guess. What time is... No. Yeah, I didn't say it was great, but it's... That's why I don't do them anymore. But if they do work, they work really well. If they don't work, obviously not ideal. It's like this. Would it have worked yet? Sorry, give me a second. Now you've got my brain going, Oh, it would have just missed the tag in. And yeah, that one would have been a break even. Well, actually wouldn't have been tagged in with that fair value, yeah? See, it's the thing with trading, right? So you don't trust fair value gap. Some people swear by it. Yeah. That one wouldn't have been a tag in. This may have been a tag in. Let's see. No, not high enough. Yeah, that's the only thing. If it runs away, it runs away. You're not gonna get that back anytime soon. Same with that. Wouldn't have been a tag in. Yeah. So there appears to be not much going on now. I am also done trading for the day. I have my rules that I stick to, which is either 3 wins or 3 losses. Like I said, today was not great. I did at least have a win. Yay! It is what it is. Yeah, we'll be back. Well, well, I hope you guys will be back tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow. Hopefully you guys are there. Yeah. I like it when it's a 3-day win, not a 3-day loss. To be fair, at least which 2 did it? These 2 are mitigated by half. That one I did close early, so theoretically I never lost the full amount. But yeah, anyways, not the point. Not the point. Point is now. See, I could get distracted. We can chat the whole night. I'll then tend to not shut up ever. But point is, I will then be back tomorrow. I hope I'll see you guys then. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully I don't miss my winning trades, because I missed 2 winning trades before this happened. Which means I actually would have had my 3 wins quick, done and dusted. But it's fine. I will then be back here tomorrow. I hope I will see you guys then. And you guys have... Even though it wasn't a winning day... Thanks, Bob. Yeah, even though it wasn't a winning day, you guys actually did... You made my day, which is amazing, because it was not a good day. It was just not a good day. And that's fine. So I really appreciate you guys, and I will hopefully see you back here tomorrow for a winning day. Touch wood. Hopefully I haven't jinxed myself. It's fine. No, it's fine. I'm putting it out into the universe. It will win. We've got this. Okay. Okay, bye. Let me go. Thanks, Franks. Love you guys. Bye.